Today we'll be making some macrame Christmas decorations and also macrame keychains. First, we'll be making this one, a macrame Christmas wreath. What we're going to do is take this long one and cut it in half. And then we're going to fold it in half like that. Okay, then we don't need this one. So get your tape, tape that onto the table, and then we're going to use the green rope. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the halfway point like this and put that green rope right under here. Okay, there we go. So the first step, fold this one. It will look like a number 4. And then take this one. And you can see here, the bottom right corner, we will go under. And then through this corner, we're going to come up. So down and up. Down and up right there. And then pull both ends out and push this up here. Okay, and then make sure that the ends are the same length. Great. Now we're going to repeat the first step again and again and again. Okay, number 4 again. Take this rope, put it under here and up here, okay? And now you can see it's starting to twist a little bit, kind of like that. And just repeat that pattern until you go all the way around, and then we will connect it together with the white. At this point, what we're going to do is bring that white string back that you didn't use, and we're going to make a small loop about this big, okay? And just set it right here, and then use the long string from that loop and go around maybe 3, 4, or 5 times. Okay, and then put that loop, or put the rope in through the loop, and then we're going to pull that string. And this here we're going to put down in the middle, so pull this really hard. There you go. And there's your Christmas wreath. You can pull these loops down a little bit, adjust it. Yeah, there you go. So then we're going to cut this off. And the top loop, we'll cut that off. And that's it. There's your Christmas wreath. Oh, and you can cut the green if you want to cut the green, or you can leave it. If you want to cut the green, you'll just cut the green right here. Dun, dun, dun. There you go.